Welcome to the channel, everybody. We are working on the 02 GMC Sierra. This horn, you can see here on the driver's side, works when you lock it. The passenger side horn is first off gone because, wait, there it is right there. And I tried it over on this side and it did not work. We'll show you what that looks like real quick. Pull it out here. But trying to get this fixed so that it works. And I kind of put it off for a while and figured, well, we'll see if we can get this fixed while I'm here working on the truck. So I figured I'd take everybody along and show them how we can figure out how this works. Now, I don't believe that the wiring harness is the issue, but it's possible. We won't know until I get the new horn wired up. But here I'm locking the truck again, and nothing's going on. And I heard I think I heard the relays clicking. So I don't think that wiring is the issue. We'll plug it in on this side. I don't want to take this horn out to test it. Although, to tell you the truth, it probably wouldn't be a bad idea, just to verify the issue. But here's the wiring harness for the horn. We'll plug it in right there, and then we'll lock it again. So it's just the one side. This horn does not work. So went to O'Reilly's and picked up a new horn, the full blast low extra loud horn. What you'll have to do is wire in the new tabs here. Get the instruction sheet, and it comes with your attachments and your wire hookups and your new bolt and everything. This is the bracket that the horn attaches to. So I'm just gotta drill that out a little bit more to accommodate the larger bolt size. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get the other horn out here and just verify before I go to all this work on this new horn that this is indeed the issue. It just seems like a smart thing to do. Alright, we're back. I decided to get the gear wrench to 10 millimeter on the back here. Pull the plug out, that should help. Make sure this works on the other side before we get into the nitty gritty. Alright, it appears that going underneath will actually be better. A little bit tighter on this side. Wow. Because you got the window washer right there. It might come out here gently. There it is. Wow. Maybe. There we go. Alright. Now for the moment of truth. Alright. So we got it. Let's see if it works on this side. If it works on this side, I won't feel like I waste my time if it doesn't work. Let's see. Use key fob here. Alright. That's all it is. Wiring harness is good, this horn's good, so we should have no trouble sticking this back in, or sticking the new one in and it working. I think we'll probably have trouble sticking it in, but that's beside the point. Alright, now to get this back in. Alrighty folks, so we've got a battery that's got some charge to it, and we also have the correct horn. I bought a low tone horn for the passenger side, and it was the incorrect horn. You need to get the high tone. High tone Lolo replacement, universal replacement horn. It is what the GM trucks call for, and you want the high tone for the passenger side. Low tone obviously is on the driver's side, and here it is for the locking. Much better sound. Now we just got to set up the bracket, drill that out a little bit, come over here for that, put our little work table down here. There we go. Alright, so our bracket. And we have to get it to go, I believe it's a, honestly I'm not sure what size that is, but I believe we have the correct drill bit to open that up. It's going to have a 9/16 nut attached to it, if that helps anybody out. Alright, let's just double check. Here's our bolt. Aha, look at that, beautiful. We'll just set up our, have to get another bolt here for this, and we should be able to. Alright, I found a replacement screw that should work. Replacement bolt, I'm sorry. Get these terms correct. I do sort of know what I'm doing, but just sometimes it doesn't sound that way. This one's a little tricky. You gotta reach up from the wheel well here. And you'll feel it over here on the side. It's a little shouldered piece from the, there we go, on the sheet metal frame here. Thankfully, the guys at O'Reilly's were real easy with the return of the low tone horn. So that was nice. Thankfully, they're both the same price, $16.99. So I figured I could have gone with a junkyard horn, but O'Reilly's was closer for me today. I didn't want to have to tear all this back apart just to save a few bucks. So $16.99 with a warranty sounded like a good deal. And I wasn't sure about the Harbor Freight bad boy. Although that would have been, seems like it would have been interesting, but this way I'm all set. It sounds like it's supposed to. And when anybody cuts in front of me, or if I need to warn somebody that I'm there, then it should work well. So, it'd be good to have. It'd be good to have. And it's a common, if you listen, it's a common issue with this brand of GM trucks. You'll hear it on the Tahoe. My 2000 Tahoe had the same issue, and it's that issue I believe was the wiring harness getting eaten by the battery acid on the driver's side. I think that was the issue with that vehicle. This one, I think the horn just went bad. So definitely. You can try both horns and really get an idea of what your particular issue is before spending all the money. Luckily the kit comes with a kit from Willow comes with relocation bracket, these little connectors, the bolt if you need to relocate it somewhere else, and 2 nuts for everything. So we're just going to use the one nut and put everything back together, and we'll be good to go. So this will be a this is how you fix your horn with very easy to find parts. Thankfully the O'Reilly's is only a mile from me, so it's a no-brainer. Bolt it, put it back onto our bracket here. Got it set up there. See if we can snake the nut in here. And then the nut that's supplied is a 9/16 compared to the stock 10. Yeah. Get a little sound again there. I'm gonna try to steady it here while we tighten it up. And this, my friends, is how you fix the horn on an O2 GMC Sierra. There it is. There's the brand new horn. Thanks.